Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing power and a backup. That prevents interruptions and data loss. Once plugged in, connect to stable Wi-Fi so the download doesn't stall. Next, open Settings, tap Software Update, then download and install. This triggers the update check. You do this now because pausing here avoids mid-update failures. If a backup isn't current, pause and complete it. Make sure critical files are saved. Because the update replaces system components, and you watch the download progress and let it reach 100% before installing. Partial files cause boot issues. Once the package is downloaded, tap Install Now. Your phone will reboot into an update mode and apply patches. This can take several minutes. Do not press buttons or remove the battery. During verification, the system checks integrity to prevent corrupted files from loading, which is why you must avoid interrupting power or network. After completion, the phone will restart into the updated OS. You complete the process by confirming the OS version in About Phone and then updating apps from the Play Store so they match the new system. Once done, review permissions because updates can add new requirements. If the phone won't boot or is stuck, power off, then boot into safe mode to isolate apps. If that fails, use Samsung's Smart Switch on a PC to reinstall firmware. This recovers a corrupted update, which is often the fastest way to restore a working device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.